Let us solve a problem based on reluctance of air gap. The question is, the stator of a machine has a smooth surface, but its rotor has open type of slots with slot width equal to tooth width equal to 12 mm. The length of air gap is given as 2 mm. Lg is equal to 2 mm, and it has been asked to calculate the effective length of the air gap. So we have to calculate effective length of the air gap. So let us draw just an outline of the machine. So the machine is having a smooth stator. So the stator can be drawn like this, and its rotor is having open type of slots. So rotor will be like this. So this machine can be drawn like this. The stator surface is smooth and the rotor is slotted. So this will be the length of air gap Lg, which is given as 2 mm. So this is the tooth, and this is width of tooth Wt, which is equal to 12 mm, and this is the slot, and the slot width is also given as 12 mm. Now let us mark the slot pitch Ys. We know that the slot pitch Ys is the distance between two adjacent slots. So this is Ys. The distance between the center to center distance between two adjacent slot is known as slot pitch. So here this is Ys, and let us calculate the value of Ys from this diagram. So what is Ys? So from this diagram we can write Ys as Ws by 2 plus Wt plus Ws by 2. So that means Ws plus Wt. So this much is Ys, that is Ws by 2 plus Wt plus Ws by 2, which constitutes Ws plus Wt. So both are given as 12 mm. So 12 plus 12, 24 mm. Slot pitch Ys is equal to 24 mm. So we have to calculate effective length of air gap. So while deriving the equation for air gap mmf, we have seen this term, effective length of air gap. So we have denoted it as Lge, and it equals kg into Lg. The effective gap length is kg times the actual gap length, where kg is the total gap contraction factor. And we can write the total gap contraction factor kg as equal to kgs into kgd. Okay, what is kgs? Kgs is the gap contraction factor for slots, and kgd is the gap contraction factor for ducts. So in order to calculate Lge, we need the value of kg. Lg is already given. So if we can calculate the value of total gap contraction factor kg, we can calculate the effective gap length Lge. So kg equal to kgs into kgd. Now what is kgs, the gap contraction factor for slots? It is given as Ys, the slot pitch Ys divided by Ys minus kcs into Ws. So Ys, the slot pitch. So we have already calculated the slot pitch here. Ws, width of slot, is also known. And now we need the value of kcs. What is kcs? Kcs is nothing but Carter's coefficient for slots. So KCS is the Carter's coefficient for slots, and it is not given in the question. So we have to calculate its value. So we have studied two empirical formulas for calculating the value of KCS. So using one of that formula, KCS is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 5 Lg divided by Ws. So using this formula, we will get the value of KCS. So which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 5 into Lg is given as 2 mm divided by Ws is 12 mm. So we will get the value of KCS as 0.545. So now substitute the value of KCS here. So we will get KGS as YS, that is 24 divided by YS minus KCS, that is 0.545 into WS, which is 12 mm. So the answer will be KGS will be obtained as 1.37. So now we need the value of Kg, which is equal to KGS into KGD. What is KGD? Gap contraction factor for ducts. But in this question, there is no information regarding the radial ventilating ducts. So we can assume that no ventilating ducts are present in the machine. So ventilating duct ne kurichu onnum paranjittillathathonde ventilating duct illa ennu venamengil namukku consider cheyam. So in that case, we can take KGD as 1. So KGD is equal to 1. So we will get Kg, the total gap contraction factor, as equal to KGS into KGD, which is equal to 1.37 into 1, that is 1.37 itself. So now our question is the effective gap length. So effective gap length LGE is equal to Kg times the actual gap length Lg, that is 1.37 into 2 mm, which will be 2.74 mm. So this is the value of effective gap length of this particular machine.